Hello everyone and welcome to Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Corinaldi Avenue Primary from St. James going up against Lorna Otto Prep from St. Catherine. I'm your host, Joni Wedderburn, and the action begins right now. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Lorna Otto Prep won and decided to send Corinaldi Avenue Primary first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Corinaldi Avenue Primary with Bible knowledge. How many sons are mentioned in the story of the prodigal boy?
Two.
Correct. Lorna Otto, what was the name of the ruler that came to Jesus by night and was told that he must be born again?
King Herod.
Incorrect, it's Nicodemus. Jamaican affairs is a visual. Corinaldi, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Richard Vernon.
Incorrect, it's Robert Chin, MP. Lorna Otto, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Franklin Whittier.
That is correct. Science, Corinaldi, what is the general name given to gas produced from animal waste?
Oxygen.
Incorrect, it's biogas. Lorna Otto, what is the general name given to a plant, or that should be given to plant material used to produce heat?
Fiber.
Incorrect, it's biofuel. Television is a visual. Corinaldi, look at the monitor and identify this actress.
Anita Franklin.
Incorrect, it's Queen Latifah. Lorna Otto, look at the monitor and identify the actress and talk show host.
Simone Clark Cooper.
Incorrect, it's Oprah Winfrey. English language, this is for Corinaldi. Spell stringent.
Kaden, spell. Stringente.
Incorrect, it's Stringent. Lorna Otto, spell attire.
Attire.
Correct. Sports is a visual. Corinaldi, look at the monitor and identify this NBA star.
Steph Curry.
Incorrect, it's Anthony Davis. Lorna Otto, look at the monitor and identify this NBA star.
Kevin Durant.
Incorrect, it's Klay Thompson. General knowledge, Corinaldi. What is the name of the thing used to hit the ball in pickleball?
Racket.
Incorrect, it's a paddle. Lorna Otto, what is the name for an unreturned serve in lawn tennis?
Birdie.
Incorrect, it's an ace. Corinaldi, social studies. Chapelton was the name of the former capital of which Jamaican parish?
Clarendon.
Correct. Lorna Otto, which place was the capital of the Jamaican parish of Trelawney before Falmouth?
Martha Bray.
That is right. Music, complete the name of this former music group. Gladys Knight and the?
Melody Makers.
Incorrect, it's the Pips. Lorna Otto, complete the name of this former music group. Earth, Wind and?
Fire.
Fire.
That is right. That's the end of section 1. The scores are Corinaldi Avenue Primary on 2 and Lorna Otto Prep on 4. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achievo. Talk it out. Do not fight it out. Conflict resolution means we can settle our differences through conversation and discussion without using violence. Stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.